Here's the van. No seats in the back. No seats in the back. That's how it comes. Just like that. Good tires.